Do you want to plant some beautiful flowers to help save the bees? Because you know one of my favorite things are bees. It is very simple to do your small part. First of all, you can plant flowers they attract bees, and if you garden organically, the bees won't have chemicals going into their little systems. So if you are planning your garden, I ask you to look at the following 12 flowers for the bees. The first one is Catmint. It's a beautiful blue flower. The bees love it. So Catmint. Then you have Calendula. Calendula is gorgeous. You can it's even edible. You can put it in your salads. Bees love Calendula. Bee Balm. I know, right? Who knew? But yes, there's a reason it's called Bee Balm. The bees, the hummingbirds, and the butterflies love it. Lavender, you know, is one of my favorite things. Those beautiful purple flowers. The garden will smell gorgeous, and the bees absolutely love lavender. Borage. Borage, the bees love. They eat, and you can eat the flavored leaves. You can eat them raw, so you can put them in your salad. So borage is another one. Foxglove. The bees love foxglove. They're a little bell-shaped flower. Bees love them. Crocuses. Start your spring with early crocuses. Bees will love you for it. Asters. Asters, they also attract butterflies along with the bees. So you'll have these beautiful butterflies flying around your garden. It's awesome. And sunflowers. Bees love sunflowers. And the bonus is the little sunflower seeds are feed for the birds. So you're not only helping the bees, but you're helping the birds when you plant sunflowers. Black-eyed Susans, one of my favorite flowers. They're absolutely beautiful in the garden. Bees love them. Echinacea. Echinacea, we can't talk enough about echinacea. Echinacea in your garden is gorgeous. There's a reason the bees love them. They are medicinal. They're beautiful, they're fragrant, and they're medicinal. Phlox, you have these beautiful blue and pink flowers in your garden, and the bees will say, thank you. So, you know, you can do your part. If you're thinking, I don't know how to help the honey, I don't know how to help the bees. I was going to say honeybees, but not just honeybees. Any type of bees. If you're wondering how you can help, it's really simple. All you have to do is plant some flowers, right? You have a great day.